Ensure system fasteners and sealants around the punched opening are installed correctly, and the surface of each ArmorWall panel is free of any debris. Sill tape. Cut a piece of flashing tape 6 inches greater than the measured width of the rough opening. Cut a 3-inch long horizontal slit at each edge of the sill flashing along the split release liner. Jam tape. Measure jam height and add 9 inches of additional material. Position flashing 3 inches above top of rough opening with a minimum of 4-inch adhered to the exterior face of the ArmorWall panel. Cut out a 4-inch long horizontal, 6-inch vertical section at the sill edge of the jam flashing along the split release liner. Header tape. Cut a piece of flashing tape a minimum of 10 inches greater than the measured width of the rough opening. Make a vertical cut on both sides of the header flashing 5 inches deep. Install flashing tape in a way that ensures the jam flashing tape is overlapped a minimum of 1 inch in all directions. Ensure that 4 inches of flashing material extend out of the rough opening. Apply a bead of sealant, 35 mils plus or minus 5 mils at all interior corner transitions, the leading edge of the header, and at sections where DuraGuard WD overlaps Liquid Armor FJ, 3 inches past both sides of the sealant applied at the seams.